Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today, we're at the 2025 Hunt Expo here in Salt Lake City, Utah. This is our backyard show. It's really the only show we do now because we do so much online and interact with you online through our videos and through texting and calling. But it's fun to get to one show, see some customers in person, have some customers connect with us here. And for those that weren't able to make it to the show, I want to give you a little bit of a booth walkthrough, show you what we have at the show today. We have two UTVs, one CF Moto in our booth and another UTV over at the Mule Deer Foundation that we'll show you over there. So let's do a little walkthrough, show you what we're showing off today. All right, so let's show you the CF Moto that we have inside here. Again, thanks to a local power sports company, Carl Malone. They lent this UTV for us to use during the show. Thank you guys for that. And it's just an awesome looking set. We have the Midnight Croc, Java Croc combination here, loaded up with MOLLE pockets to store your guns and gear inside here. Just super cool to be able to store your pistol concealed inside there and then have additional places to carry the gear. We have driver and passenger MOLLE gun pockets on the front row as well as the rear row. Again, looking sweet on this. This is a U-Force 1000 XL, so it's front and back seats. We also have the American flag logos back here. Looks sweet. Just covers are just pop there. I love that brown Java Croc, how that pops out right there. And back here you can see we do have we're showing off an exterior pistol carrier on this MOLLE webbing right there. So you could have that as another option to store a pistol on the outside right there. Flashlight right here, carabiner, and store water bottles or whatever else you want inside these MOLLE pockets, MOLLE gun pockets. So looking sweet on the CF Moto. We have new pop-up banners this year as well, just to really highlight the cool combination of Midnight Croc, Java Croc, and that we do it in trucks and UTVs. Big thing this year we're trying to get out there is, hey, we can do your UTV seat covers as well as your truck seat covers. So, and if you want to bundle those together, happy to do that for you. So, and again, you're gonna make that bundle up as you're working with some of our customer service reps there. A lot of signs here at the booth today talking about texting us. Text is a great way where you can snap photos of your seats, send it over to us. We can show you videos. We can text you videos and photos. We have some awesome team members that will help you build up a really cool set of seat covers. And that's the front side of this booth right here. We'll walk around now. I want to show you some of the fabrics that we're showing off on the back side of this UTV over here. So lots of fabrics to choose from. And if a customer is interested, this is where we could bring them back and say, hey, you know what? Check it out. We do have the Java and Midnight Croc that we're showing off today. Several other Croc options, ostrich, solid colors too though are very popular. If you just want to do like a solid black or brown or a two-tone combination, you can mix and match these for your insert and trim, which is really unique to do. So you can really make the seat covers your own. This is a really popular fabric this year. Mossy Oak Bottomland looks really great. I just did a set for a customer just a little bit ago. We did Midnight Croc Diamond Stitch with Mossy Oak Bottomland trim. Really cool combo. And I love mixing the camo with the exotic alligator print and do the diamond stitch on it. Looks sweet. Diamond stitch is gonna be an option when you're doing it on the trucks or your cars, not an option on UTVs currently. So now these are cool swatches that you can pull out right here when customers are getting interested. We say, hey, you know what? Let's look at what it might look like to do a certain insert with the trim on your truck. Here's a full Java Croc. That'd be a cool combination too. Something like that. Now, lots of flyers and hats that we're passing out at the show, some carabiners, some swag for customers that are coming by. We've done this show now like 15 years, I believe. And it's just been an awesome show. And guess what? We got a special guest here at the show, Donald J. Trump, our president, 45th and 47th president, baby. Let's go. We love President Trump. Big supporter of Covers Camo, I must say. Thank you, President. We appreciate you for all you're doing. Hopefully we can make some more cuts in government and get those taxes down, because as a small business owner, that's a big deal for us. We're trying to take care of our families, feed our families, and we're a small family business. We appreciate less smaller government and less taxes. So we're having a lot of fun here at the booth. A lot of customers coming by saying, hey, can I get a photo with President Trump? And yes, of course, we've been doing that as well. So just a great show. We've been here, again, about 15 years now. It's an awesome show. We have a lot of fun. And we're gonna show you as well what's going on over that Mule Deer Foundation booth with another UTV over there. Now we're over at the Mule Deer Foundation booth. They are doing an ultimate giveaway of this UTV, a really cool UTV. When we saw this, we said, hey, we need ultimate seat covers on this as well. So we got the seat covers on now, Midnight Croc, Java Croc, really cool set. Same set of seat covers that we have over in our booth on the CF Moto. And so we'll check them out inside here and just show them off to you. Mule Deer Foundation's a great team to work with, and you can see just how cool these popped out on this Polaris Ranger. This is 2025 Polaris Ranger XP 1000 Crew. And just the seats, man, they were all just plain black before, but this really makes them pop now. Just a really cool look inside here. Loaded up with pockets for guns and gear storage. So whoever wins this UTV, they're gonna be able to get this cool storage pockets, the cool seat covers inside here now as well. Just custom fit for this UTV. Really a cool looking set. It was fun to partner with the Mule Deer Foundation on this. And again, always a fun show. And we have a lot of fun meeting with the customers and being here and seeing all the cool hunting. We love hunting, we love the outdoors and supporting those efforts. So hope that it gave you a little bit of an idea on what we're doing here down at the Expo, the Hunt Expo 2025. Thanks for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers and Camo, your source for custom seat covers. If you want to get a set of seat covers for your truck, UTV, or another vehicle, jump over to Covers and Camo. We offer a lot of different sets of seat covers. Cool sets like this with the alligator prints, croc prints, ostrich, or maybe you want to do a solid color canvas or camo inside there. A lot of cool things to check out on coversandcamo.com. Again, Neil here, Covers and Camo, your source for custom seat covers.